when you think you're saved, just when you've locked your door, comes like a lightning flash, and the sky is torn at your back like a loaded gun, but the fight has just begun. Steady now, breathe.
He saw us!
Breathe.
The things I do for love. Come into our home and try to murder my brother.
Not a queen. A Khaleesi.
I hate them. I hate all of them.
Everyone who isn't us is an enemy.
Take him alive. Kill us now.
I am a Khaleesi of the Dothraki. The next time you raise a hand to me will be the last time you have hands.
I'll never be cruel to you again.
I'd be queen someday. I'm supposed to marry Prince Joffrey. I love him, and I'm meant to be his queen and have his baby.
Fire cannot kill a dragon.
I did warn you not to trust me.
But your father has to confess. And say that I'm the king. Or there'll be no mercy for him.
Winter is coming.
The White Walkers sleep beneath the ice for thousands of years.
What do we say to the god of death?
Not today.
Give me my daughters back. Give me my husband.
When you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die. There is no middle ground.
Choose your weapons, and let's end this here and now.
Show me what I bought with my son's life. Bring me his head.
Give it to you.
I'll kill them all. Every one of them. This war is far from over.
I am Daenerys Stormborn of House Targaryen, and I swear to you that those who would harm you will die screaming.
After I raise my arms and kill your traitor brother, I'm going to give you his head as well.
Or maybe he'll give me yours.
The king of the north!